try to make this young guy to come and eat a few pieces of grains from my hand. I think he's hungry. Let's see if he does. He's supposed to come on this piece of wood right here, and then I will give him some food to eat. Hide, hide, hide. Come on. Yeah, you can try. Well, I always keep this plastic cup right here with a few grains, which is very attractive to him. So we'll see if he comes now. Yeah. Here we go. Here's your food. Just to come and get it. He's a bit shy, but he's thinking about coming here. Here, have some grains. Just to come and get it. Yeah, let's go. Come again. You just have to dare. Just have a little bit of courage. Take a leap of faith now. My dear Georgian, there he comes. Yeah. That's right, Georgie. And this is the grains you deserve. So, you can now come and get it. It's all yours. Just hop up. You have to do is just come and get it. It's all yours. You don't need to be afraid now. I ain't going to harm you. Yeah. Yeah, just take it. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, come and get it. That's right, you little guy. Just go to it now. Are they good? Yes, of course they're good. You like them, don't you? Yeah, so this is my little birdie coming to eat grains right out of my hand. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will be back to you. Now I'll just put him at his place where he used to live and eat. Yeah, right there. And then you have your grains here. You deserve them. Yeah, now we can go and eat them right there. Exactly. He's a cute little one, but it took a long time to train him. And the results are just amazing and satisfying. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon.